What if I told you that *** 90% of the bugs that crash your app never show up in your logcat? They're hiding in plain sight, inside the network traffic you can't see, until you pull out Charles Proxy. Hold up, forget decompilers. Forget expensive SaaS sniffers. The real magic trick? A humble proxy asterisk that turns any app into an open book. Today we flip the script and make the network talk to us. You've been there, staring at a cryptic crash, digging through stack traces, adding *println (s), only to hit a wall. The UI freezes. The API returns something, but you have no clue what that something actually looks like on the wire. Hours lost, deadlines looming, and the client asking, why is it broken? Quote, imagine swapping that chaos for a clean, visual ledger of every request your app makes. In the next few minutes I'll show you how to spin up Charles in under a minute, capture HTTPS traffic, and expose the exact JSON payload that's killing your app, all while your coffee stays hot. Lesson 1. Getting HTTPS traffic out of the vault. First, download Charles and install its root certificate on your device. Yes, you'll need to trust a custom CA. Then, flip the SSL proxying switch for the host you care about. Once the handshake succeeds, every encrypted packet is decrypted in real time, and you can see the raw JSON, headers, and even cookies. Lesson 2. Real-world power move. Let's peek at Netflix's mobile client. With Charles running, you'll spot the *authorization header, an OAuth token that the app never logs. By copying that token, you can replay calls in Postman, test edge cases, or even discover undocumented endpoints. The same trick works for Google Maps, Amazon Shopping, or any third-party SDK. But here's where most devs stumble. Leaving SSL proxying on in production * can expose your users to man-in-the-middle attacks. Or forgetting to add *localhost to the bypass list floods your log with internal calls, making the real problem invisible. The cost? Data leaks, compliance violations, and a night spent patching a breach you never knew existed. Alright, let's implement. Keycap 1. Open Charles. Hit the red record button. Keycap 2. Run your app. Perform the failing action. Keycap 3. In Charles, type the domain into the filter bar. Boom. Only the traffic you need. Keycap 4. Right-click the request. Choose Copy Right pointing arrow curl, or export the response as JSON. Paste that into your debugger, and you instantly see why the server returned a 500. The payoff? What used to take 2 hours of guesswork now takes 5 minutes. In my own project, a malformed header caused a cascade of 502 errors. With Charles, the first spotted the missing content type in under a minute. Fixed it, and the app ran smoothly. That's a 90% time to resolution win. Want the secret sauce? Charles's rewrite and throttle tools. You can inject mock responses on the fly, simulate 3G latency, or force error codes to test your fallback UI. Combine this with a tiny JavaScript snippet in the tool's right pointing arrow rewrite rule, and you have a full-blown mock server without writing a single line of backend code. If you loved cracking open app secrets in 5 minutes, smash that subscribe button, join the Discord where we share live Charles sessions, and stay tuned for the next video where we automate these captures straight into your C pipeline. See you on the next hack.